In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with integrating Lucky Orange into your Shopify store. This will be a great way to engage with your customers, as Lucky Orange offers tools like heat maps, screen recordings, and even live chat features that are incredibly beneficial for understanding user behavior and improving your site conversion rates. So let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, you need to navigate to Shopify. It might be a place you visit frequently if you're managing an e-commerce business, but just to ensure we're on the same page, open up your browser and type in Shopify's URL to get started. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your Shopify account dashboard. Remember that having your account information handy will make this step quick and hassle-free. Next, we need to find the Shopify App Store. It's a fantastic resource for enhancing your store's functionality with a variety of apps. And today we're looking for Lucky Orange. Using the search bar within the App Store, type Lucky Orange and hit enter. Browse through the results, find the Lucky Orange app, and click on it to learn more about its offerings. Feel free to read up on any latest reviews or updates about the app if you want to get a full picture before installation. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click on the Install button. The installation process is usually straightforward, just like downloading an app to your phone. However, be ready to follow any prompts that guide you through giving the app necessary permissions. Sometimes it might need access to various parts of your store to function correctly, like customer interaction data. So just read through any permissions messages carefully before agreeing. After installation, you'll need to set up Lucky Orange. This can involve creating an account if you don't already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by Lucky Orange to either log in or set up your new account. This may include inputting some basic information about your store and your preferences for analytics and reporting. It's helpful to think about what kind of insights are most beneficial for your business as you go through these steps, so that you can tailor the tool to meet those needs effectively. And there you have it. Once you're all set up, you should see Lucky Orange as a part of your Shopify dashboard. From here, you're equipped to start using its various features, from tracking real-time website visitor actions, engaging with customers directly via chat, and gaining valuable insights into customer behavior patterns. It's worth exploring the app further to maximize its utility and enhance your strategic approach. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to leveraging powerful insights through Lucky Orange, helping you create a more interactive and effective e-commerce experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tutorials to boost your Shopify store success.